Sometimes people are so busy trying to take care of other people, and then they come and see me, and it's like, I got 10 issues that I want to talk about in this 30-minute visit. And I haven't seen a doctor in 2-3 years because I've been too busy taking care of everybody else. And I always tell them jokingly, but also serious, like, hey, I'm not Jesus. I can't solve it all in one visit. Like, I'm not anointed in that fashion. So if you have multiple problems, you're gonna have to see me for multiple visits. And so if you establish care with somebody, we can kind of catch some of these things early and deal with all of these issues and get them kind of in control, in line. So you're going to have to set that time aside to take care of your health, or they're going to see you in a hospital. Unfortunately, if they don't take care of themselves. Then we as a physician, we have to kind of take the time to sit and talk to our patients and go over things and try not to be rushed.